Let's solve this question together. Now we are given 4 exponent x equals to 2x exponent 32. Now we have 2x here. Okay, can we change this one so that we get 2x here? Now let's write 4 as 2 to the power 2. So we have 2 to the power 2 here. And don't forget that we have x over there. Alright, so we have 2x here. So that will make this side 2x raised to 32. Okay. Now, don't forget 2x. Okay, the 2x here is making the question complicated. So let's take it out. Okay, so let u be 2x. Okay, so in going back, where you see 2x, you put u there. That will be 2 exponent u equals to, so we have u here, u to the power 32. As simple as that. Now let's remove this u here by multiplying both powers by 1 over u. So have 2 raised to u times 1 over u equals to u raised to 32 times 1 over u. Now we want to bring u on one side and numbers without u on another side. So this side will cancel. I'll be left with 2 here. So no u. This side will be u raised to 32 on u. Okay. So we have 2 equals to u raised to 32 on u. Okay. Alright, so let's remove this 32 here. So this side will be 2 times 1 over 32. Now we have u raised to 32 on u times 1 on 32. So once I do that, this one will cancel. Now be left with 2 to the power 1 on 32 equals u raised to 1 on u. So we have u raised to 1 over u here. Now what we are going to do here is to adjust this in such a way that we get the base, okay, and the fraction, okay, looking like this. So what I'll do here is to multiply this side by 2, okay. So that will be 2 on 64. That will be u raised to 1 on u. Now, when we have something like this, it's the same as 2 to the power 2 times 1 on 64. That will make this side 4 to the power 1 on 64 equals to u raised to 1 on u. Now let me go again. Since our dream has not been achieved, okay, we are heading towards this and this being equal so that we can compare. So let's multiply this side by 2 again. That will be, so 4 on 2 on 128 equals to u raised to 1 on u. Now we can bring the 2 here. That will be 4 squared, 16, 1 on 28. So we have u raised to 1 on u. Now let's go again. So that will be 16, 2 on 256 u, 1 on u. So we have 16 squared. Okay, that will be 1 on 256 because u, 1 on u. 16 squared will be 256, 1 on 256 equals u, 1 on u. So when you compare, let me write it again. I have 256, 1 on 256, u, 1 on u. So we can say 256 is u. So 1 over 256, 1 over u. So perfect. But remember, we have the x. So u equals 2x. So u equals 2x. So 2x equals u, but u is 256. Therefore, dividing both sides by 2, x will be 2 here 1, 2 here 2, so 128 as the answer. Okay. So let's verify and see if our answer is correct. So we have 4 to the power x. Let's verify. 4 to the power x equals 2x. And we have 32. So 4 to the power, let's look at this. So this side 128. Okay. And 2 times 128. Okay. Equals to 32. Okay. Now we can write this one as 256, okay, equals 32, and 256 is the same as 4 to the power 4. Okay, so this side will be 4 to the power 4 all raised 32, and we still have 4 raised to 128, 4 raised to 128. So 4 times 32 will be 4 raised to 128. So we have both sides being equal. Therefore, our solution is through. Alright, so that's that.